what we have here is a 2013 Mustang Boss 302. This car is being presented to you with only 9,768 miles. It does have both sets of keys. That's very important on these cars because you can no longer get a red key and get the programming for it. We have it. It's currently in the car right now. You're going to see over here one of my favorite things. You've got a little side exhaust. It's very difficult to see, but the exhaust actually comes out right there in front of the wheels. If you want it to come out behind with the dual exhaust, you can obviously do that. We just have to put it on a lift and throw those caps on it. And the fact that this car is school bus yellow and we happen to be working on a couple school buses back here, Rafe and Charlie have been wrenching on these today, so figured it'd be a great time to show you how close the school bus yellow color that Ford had from the factory is to an actual school bus. So come experience the Gary Crossley difference. Experience our pre-owned department. We've got some pretty cool stuff right now. You can call Jaime Tuff or myself anytime to talk about a pre-owned vehicle. Experience the Crossley difference. You'll be glad you did.